Hello friends. In this video, we'll see the top stocks which had a huge jump in the stock price in today's market trade. First company is Clean Science. As we can see, the stock price jumped by around 8.42% and closed in near 1400 marks. If we talk about the company, company is a leading chemical manufacturing company globally. It has a market cap of around 15,000 crores. So it's a small cap company. Its P ratio is slightly on a higher side, which is also because of the recent poor performance of this stock in recent quarters. Uh, but overall, company is good. It has a decent 5 year and 5 year CAGR growth rate in terms of sales and revenue. If we talk about company's technicals, then we can see that company stock price is taking support near 1250. It took that support nearly 5-6 times and then showed a decent jump. In recent few weeks also it took support near 1250 mark, and then stock price has started to go up. Currently it's trading near 400, but if we see from its historical trading price, the stock price has come down from 2750 till 1250. So the stock price has gone down by more than 50%, uh, which also sort of provides the opportunity for a big swing. If it reaches to its earlier high, then from this levels also company stock price has potential to give nearly 100% returns to investors. So this stock should definitely be in investors radar. Company is taking short term support, resistance near 1600 mark. We'll have to see if stock price again sort of reverses back and go down, or it breaks out and show the uptrend. Much of it will depend on how the company will show its quarterly results. So we'll await till we get that clarity. The next stock which saw a huge jump in its stock price was Olectra Green. Its stock price jumped by 5.5%. As we are aware, Olectra Green Tech operates in manufacturing of EV buses. It has a stock price of around 14,000 crores. Uh, Only negative side of this stock is its PE, which is currently trading at 121. The reason for such high PE is definitely because of the growth potential of this sector, as we also must have seen in majority of metro cities, most of the buses which runs, they are electric vehicles mainly. So that is the reason why the company is trading at a very good stock price PE. If we talk about company sales and profit growth, that is also pretty high. Uh, it is more than 40%, both in terms of revenue and sale for last 5 years. And that is the reason why its PE also high, and stock price also is showing a good performance in recent past. Uh, as we can see from technicals also, company stock price has shown a remarkable growth in last few years, though it had phases of consolidation and even corrections. But still the long term uh, trend is pretty much positive. uh, Currently the stock took support near 1438. So company had reached its high in July 2024, and the same trading price is being taken by the stock as a support, which is a very positive sign. And today's stock price closed near its trend line downward resistance. We'll have to see if it breaks, uh, if it shows a breakout with good volume, then we can see a potential gain in its stock price in coming weeks as well. But if it goes down, then we may again see stock testing 1440 levels. But looking at companies' strong quarterly performance, it is likely that long-term trend for this stock will remain bullish. Uh, Next stock which showed a good jump in its stock price was SBFC Finance. The stock price gone up by around 4.49% in today's market trade, and stock price closed at 93.5. SBFC Finance is NBFC, and it offers MSME loans. However, company does take collaterals, which sort of helps it hedge the bets and makes it less risky compared to other NBFC, which provides loan without taking any strong collateral. Company's market cap is 10,000, so it's a very small company, and which also sort of gives the company the potential to grow faster compared to other NBFC. We know that NBFCs like Bajaj Finance have market cap in excess of 4 lakh crores. If SBFC Finance becomes as big as one tenth of Bajaj Finance, then it still is four times more than its current market price. So we can see that it has a huge potential to grow. Its historical profit and revenue growth is also on a higher side. Its sales growth is more than 40%, and profit growth is more than 58% for last 5 years. So this stock should definitely be on investors' radar. If we look at its technicals, then it has pretty clean technicals per se. So stock is taking support near 80. So between 77 to 80, it has a buying range. Company stock price did come to those levels and have gone up, and it has resistance or selling range near 95 to 97. So basically traders are trying to play around with these levels, buying it near buying range and selling it near a sale range, potentially taking profit of nearly 20%. But look, if company delivers strong result in next quarter, then it is highly likely that stock will show a breakout, and we can see it stock price going up further. We'll have to see how company delivers its quarterly results. Next stock, which also is from NBFC sector, that is Cholafin, and this company stock price also went up by around 4.5%. Cholafin is again an NBFC, however, it is much bigger than SBFC. It has market cap of around 1,12,000 crores, so we can call it as a large cap company. Stocks P is trading near 30, and it's near its long-term average. Cholafin also has a decent profit growth of more than 20% in last 5 years. However, because of its size, the growth rate is not as high as say SBFC Finance, but it also sort of provides it an safe bet because of its huge size. Since big NBFCs have their risk management in place, and they have better risk management track record compared to smaller companies. Uh, so that is the reason why Cholafin is or a company like Cholafin, Bajaj Fin are relatively less risky compared to smaller ones. If we look at its technical, then stock price has gone down from around 1650 to 1250. So it has dropped by more than 25%, but it took support near 1200, and stock price has started to go up from current level. Also, if it reaches to its all-time high, then also it is a potential gain of more than 20%. So this stock also should be on investors radars. Friends, please keep in mind that this video is not a buy sell recommendation. You need to do your own due diligence before thinking of investing in stocks, since stock investing is a risky bet. Always advise to have it discussed with your advisors. Thank you. Please do like, share our video.